Hello friends, this is CA Seem Kumar and I passed out CA in 2017 and my focus area is costing paper and my qualifications are Chartered Accountant, BCom, MCom, DISA, FFD, and in costing paper what benefits you can get out of me. First thing in learning costing paper is it is a complex subject and you have to it has a lots of involvement of maths and probability or and statistics. Basically it is a mix of all these three, and what benefits you can get out of me in sorting out this solution to get to score good marks in costing paper. First is I can help you in making costing paper interactive, so that how you can interact with the question or its parts, so that for making solution of a problem you first have to interact with the question, so you can interact with you can understand what it requires and how you can solve it. Second benefit you can get out of me is focus on hard part or complex part of a question. And for the important thing you have to do is first during the learning process you have to mark different parts of a question. For example, if there is a question of one para or two para, you have to all full question is not complex but only few parts of the question that is where you get stuck. In those areas you have to mark them in according to their severity. For example, hard, very hard, and very very hard, so that in latter part during revision process you can focus on those areas. Third benefit you can get out of me is you have to get scoring. You have to focus on scoring areas of a costing paper. There costing paper is a very vast subject. You have to focus on some areas to get maximum results. So I can help you out with focus on scoring areas that get most of the examiner or the paper setter attention. And the fourth area is you have to make I have to make yourself in positive attitude, so that you can always positive for the learning process. You do not get demoralized during the learning process. And the fifth benefit you can get out of me is how to get maximum marks with minimum labor, because costing is just such a subject that it is such a wide area. It gets endless labor for it demands endless labor to complete it, but you have limited time and limited resources, so you have to focus on that key. You have to be get maximum marks out of minimum labor. Thanks and happy Shivratri friends, and may Lord Shiva bless you with all the happiness in your life. And one thing more I would like to request to leave with positive comments, so that I can improve on my channel for your help. Okay, thanks a lot.